5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good morning. This is Wayne Cymbaluk from the Stearns County Soil Water Conservation District with your conservation report. Our office currently has a grant from the Minnesota Department of Health to cover up to 50% of the cost to seal unused or abandoned wells in Stearns County. Maybe you're not sure if you have an abandoned well on your property or not, but if you're inside your house, you could look in the basement for pipes sticking up out of the floor or a concrete patch in the floor where the well was located. If you're outside, look for a glass block or concrete patch in an exterior step. The well could be located in a low spot or sunken area in the yard. It could be located under a metal, wood, or concrete cover or manhole. Also, old wood windmills may have had a well associated with it, or maybe the well was housed in an old shed on the property. Dug wells typically appear as a ring anywhere from 1 foot to several feet in diameter and were made of concrete, tile, bricks, or rocks. A well that is not in use and is not properly sealed can pose a safety, health, and environmental threat to you, your friends, your family, and your community. Wells located within a city drinking water supply management area will receive priority. If you know of an abandoned well, please let us know and we can help you get it sealed. Here are some upcoming trainings. The Stearns County SWCD will host 4 free online smart salting and turf grass maintenance workshops. These trainings are presented by Fortin Consulting and the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. Funding is provided by the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency through a grant from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, Section 319 Non-Point Source Management Fund. These free online workshops will provide the necessary training that will help decision makers learn how to save money by using less materials while still operating more efficiently and protecting our water resources at the same time. The first of the workshops is a Smart Salting Level 1 for property managers, which is on Wednesday, July 22nd from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. This course is for property managers and for local businesses who hire winter maintenance professionals. The second workshop is on turf grass maintenance, Thursday, July 23rd from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. This course is for property managers and owners, professional lawn care companies, city parks departments, and others to understand the importance of using efficient and effective ways to maintain and care for turf grass. The third workshop is a Smart Salting Level 1 for parking lots and sidewalks. This one is on Wednesday, July 29th from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. This workshop is geared toward those that are involved in winter maintenance of parking lots and sidewalks. The last workshop is a Smart Salting Level 1 training for roads on Wednesday, August 19th from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. This workshop is for city, county, township, and state snowplow drivers to help them integrate science and with practical winter maintenance strategies while minimizing salt impacts on the environment. All the workshops are free and you can register for all of them on the Stearns County SWCD website. Another upcoming workshop is the Minnesota Soil Health Coalition is putting on a soil health school on September 10th and 11th in Marshall, Minnesota. The cost is $150 per person and $70 for each additional person from the same operation. Classroom and field learning will be provided. You'll hear from Minnesota farmers implementing soil health practices, as well as technical experts from the state. Discussion sessions will be provided to hear and ask questions from farmers to learn about their success and challenges as they've implemented soil health practices. Topics include tillage management, cover crops options and uses, how to read your soils, soil biology, farm agronomics and economics, nutrient management, tips on how to assess your site, different types of equipment, and how to integrate livestock. Registration deadline is August 21st, and the class size is limited to 40 people. You can register online at mnsoilhealth.org. There's also an upcoming Soil Health Digital Café webinar series covering nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium dynamics in a soil health system. In this webinar, you'll learn about the basics science behind soil testing and fertilizer recommendations. You'll also learn what soil fertility trends might be observed while transitioning to a soil health system and what fertilizer inputs possibly can and can't be reduced. This webinar will feature a panel of experts with on-farm research experience and those farmers they work with. And finally, the extension offices of the University of Minnesota and North Dakota State University will be hosting an online manure composting workshop. The workshop will focus on the basics of turning raw manure into compost and will consist of pre-recorded videos and a live discussion with compost producers from the region. The videos will be posted on August 4th with live follow-up online discussion to be held on August 11th. from 1 to 3 p.m. Participants should view the videos before attending the live discussion. To access the videos and live discussion, please pre-register by August 10th by going to the North Dakota State University Extension webpage. For more information on any of today's or other topics, please check out our website at www.stearnscountyswcd.net or call us 320-251-7800 extension 3. Also, please like us on Facebook. This has been Wayne Cymbaluk with your Conservation Report.